Okay, so this is Dan Clark. He's going to be welding this aftermarket rim, which was damaged with the customer hitting a pothole, and we're going to weld about a 3-inch crack on this rim. And we're going to use the TIG welding process with 4043 aluminum rod, and we're going to fill that crack up and put a nice patch right over. It's all you. Go. Okay, so there you have it. About a 3-inch weld right across the base of that rim, filling that crack 100%. Very common with a lot of aluminum rims today, a lot of cracked rims. So this is one of our specialty items where we repair these rims.